Poco F8 Ultra versus Xiaomi 15T Pro. The Poco F8 Ultra edges out with a larger 6.9-inch AMOLED display featuring an impressive 3500 nits peak brightness and Dolby Vision HDR, making it ideal for vibrant viewing even under harsh sunlight. Meanwhile, the Xiaomi 15T Pro counters with a slightly smaller 6.83-inch AMOLED, but offers a higher 144Hz refresh rate and the latest Gorilla Glass 7i for enhanced durability. The Poco's superior peak brightness and Xiaomi's ultra-smooth 144Hz create a captivating visual battle. Under the hood, the Poco F8 Ultra packs the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset with blazing 4.6 GHz cores, delivering exceptional raw power and efficiency on a 3nm process. The Xiaomi 15T Pro uses the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus, also on 3nm, but with a different core setup, favoring a balanced mix of performance and power saving. Snapdragon's higher clock speeds give Poco a slight edge in pure performance. Poco F8 Ultra shines with 50-watt wireless charging, Bose-tuned stereo speakers, and the fresh HyperOS 3 based on Android 16, ensuring fast charging, premium audio, and smooth software experience. Xiaomi 15T Pro counters with AI speech recognition, advanced AI editing tools for photos, and a 3D IceLoop cooling system that keeps the phone cool under heavy use. Both bring unique perks, but Poco's wireless charging and sound system stand out for everyday convenience. Both phones feature a 50-megapixel main wide camera with OIS, but the Poco F8 Ultra impresses with a periscope telephoto lens offering 5x optical zoom and a larger sensor size of 12.76 mm, delivering sharper zoomed shots. Xiaomi 15T Pro matches the 5x optical zoom but adds a higher resolution ultra-wide camera at 12 megapixel with a wider 120-degree field of view, great for expansive shots. Poco's sensor size advantage gives it an edge in zoom clarity. The Poco F8 Ultra's periscope telephoto lens combined with dual-pixel PDAF and night mode ensures sharp, stable zoom shots even in low light. Xiaomi 15T Pro counters with Leica Summilux optics and Ultra HDR, plus AI-driven multi-camera fusion and up to 100x zoom with AI stabilization, pushing the boundaries of mobile photography creativity. Poco's optical hardware excels in natural zoom quality, while Xiaomi focuses on computational photography. Poco F8 Ultra dominates battery capacity with a massive 6500 mAh cell, promising longer usage and less frequent charging. Xiaomi 5500 mAh battery comes with a respectable size, enough for a full day, but clearly behind Poco's endurance. For power users, Poco's huge battery is a clear winner. Both phones sport premium glass fronts and aluminum frames, but Xiaomi 15T Pro ups the ante with Gorilla Glass 7i on the front and a fiberglass back, offering enhanced durability and a unique feel. Poco sticks to reinforced glass, but doesn't specify Gorilla Glass 7i. Xiaomi's tougher glass protection gives it a slight edge in build resilience. Water resistance is IP68 on both, but Xiaomi 15T Pro can survive immersion up to 3 meters versus Poco's 1.5 meters, doubling water protection depth. Xiaomi also boasts a stronger 6M13 aluminum alloy frame with higher rigidity ratings, making it more robust against bending and drops. Xiaomi takes the lead in ruggedness and durability. Both models offer high RAM and storage options, but Poco F8 Ultra goes up to 16GB RAM with a 1TB variant, while Xiaomi 15T Pro maxes out at 12GB RAM with 1TB storage. For multitasking and heavy use, Poco's higher RAM ceiling provides better future-proofing and performance headroom. Poco F8 Ultra starts around $800 plus, making it the more affordable flagship option, while Xiaomi 15T Pro ranges between $870 and $1,050, reflecting its premium build and Leica camera feature. For budget-conscious buyers seeking flagship specs, Poco offers compelling value.